Hey everybody, Thrift Store Hacker back again, and as you can see, the modular battery pack is ready to go. I've already put my best cells in it. I have another set of 28 batteries here, which were my not so great cells, and then I have this box here of basically potatoes. And with these 28 batteries, before you put them in the pack, you're going to want to match each pack here in amp hour rating. The easiest way I've found to do this is you take all of your batteries, you already have them tested, all the numbers on them. You grab one from each side, like so. There you go. There's 1S of the pack. There's another one. And you keep on doing this until you get 7 packs. Now, the range between amp hours on the batteries might be wider on the outside, but when you get to the middle, it's going to be a little more average. So once you get all these together, what you could do is add up the numbers of each 4 of them and figure out what your amp hour rating is per pack. And if one needs a little more and another needs a little less, you can swap the batteries around and kind of make them all even out so you have the same amount of amp hours in each one of them. Because if one of them has a way lower amp hour than the other, one of these will drain down too fast, and once it gets down below 2.8 volts, the BMS will shut the battery off because it doesn't want to pull them into such a low voltage that they'll damage. Let's do a little comparison between packs. This pack right here is about 9.6 amp hours. The SLA pack is 20 amp hours. Let's do a quick weigh on both of them and see what they weigh out to. I got both the batteries on here. I have the 18650 pack and I have the SLA batteries in their ammo boxes. And I'm going to take this for a ride and see how far we can go on both sets of batteries. Well, after that ride, I found out that my SD card failed in my mini camera, so that just is making it prove that camera is even more and more junk. But let me tell you, the 2 big batteries in the ammo box, the SLAs, those got me probably about 3.5, 4 miles. It's kind of icy out right now, so I rode pretty slow. And then the 18650 pack still had a little juice left in it when I got home. I got, hang on, let me check. Yeah, I got 7.25 miles, 7.25 miles, and it'll probably do 8 or 9. So I'm completely convinced that I've been using the wrong battery technology, and I need to move on to the lithium ions, because these lead acid batteries, though good for a low amp draw, do not even compare to that lithium ion pack at a 10 amp continuous draw. So that's all I have for you today. I'll do a ride video in the next, ride clips of video in the next video I put out. But until next time, build stuff and have fun. Hey everybody, I'd like to remind you that we're going to donate all of our January YouTube ad revenue to some organization. I haven't picked out one yet, but what I want to do is help out in Australia with the fires and the cleanup and stuff, and help some of the displaced wildlife basically stay alive, get their habitat fixed, and get them back out to where they need to be. Not many animals are as fortunate as Mitzi here, just lounging on the couch. But if I can donate a little bit of money to help all those animals out, I'm going to do it.